Hey guys, welcome back to Cooking with Mama Dubé. In today's video, I wanted to share my chicken and gnocchi soup recipe with turmeric. As with all of my videos, I wanted to remind you to check the description box because that is where the recipe is, as well as any notes or tips to make the recipe. These are the items that you will need to get started. More anti-inflammatory foods like ginger and onion, and I'm using chicken broth that I made at home. I went ahead and put some olive oil and minced garlic in the pot. And I'm gonna get started on chopping up these onions and ginger. While this is simmering, I wanted to remind you to please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you aren't already. This soup paired with these garlic knots is delicious. Make sure you are subscribed because I'll be sharing the video on garlic knots here in a little while. Thanks so much for watching.